Hello, this is Imtiaz Rastkar from the CBI stand at MIDEST, Paris, on the 19th November 2013. And here we have with us at this stand, exhibiting today, a company from Pakistan, PIC Technology, which is a specialist in making precision investment casting and machining them. They are a very specialized company, and we have here with us Mr. Shahid Rafiq, who is here with us together with one of his colleagues who have attended the Expo, and also they are also displaying their products here at the MIDEST today. So Mr. Shahid, thank you very much for being with us. So how was your preparation for coming to Holland?
Yeah, it's been really wonderful to have here, and it took quite a long time since the start of the CBI expert to our factory. There was a visit by the experts, including Imtiaz Rastkar, and they guided us very promptly and very efficiently and effectively, where we have really, not only got the knowledge and everything from them, but also it was a great guidance where they pinpointed our all deficiencies. Of course, we were not doing 100% right, but they pinpointed such a beautiful, and those things which were not, actually not good for the factory and our unit, and those we try to overcome all those, and we think they put us, with the help of that visit, we were put on the right track.
And how did you prepare for coming to the MIDEST?
Actually, it was, though it was very short time, but we prepared under the guidance. What we did, we were taken to the before coming to the training session, coaching session, we also have, attended few meetings with the experts from Pakistan, Mr. Imtiaz Rastkar. You were, have been a great guidance for us. And what we did, we tried to, overcome all those shortcomings which were pointed out.
CRM and
yeah. There was, of course, there was a deficiency in our system, like the CRM and all those, how to interact with the clients, how to approach the client, what should be the strategies, and we did learn a lot, and we corrected our path.
And you sent out invitations to your customers to visit you here?
Yes, we did shortlist all those customers, which were the potential customers, and we are happy that we did approach them, and we got a tremendous response in that.
Okay, thank you for this. And how was your experience at the Expo?
Oh, Expo experience have been wonderful. We never thought of these things which could have been done by us, and those we learned, and and I hope that those will be implemented during and after the MIDEST.
What will you plan to do after going back from here?
Oh, we will try to implement all those training classes, coaches, whatever the instruction we got, and it was a great experience to even to visit those industries where all these success stories are there.
And the customers who have met here, how do you plan to interact with them?
I think it is again a very great experience, and we interacted with the customer. We went to most of the potential customers, and we hope that we will try to get the maximum benefit on the platform which you people have provided us.
Thank you very much. So this was Mr. Shahid from PIC Technologies, and we are here at MIDEST. Thank you for watching.